Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. In this video, we will be presenting knowledge-based system project entitled as Computer Science Path Recommendation System. I'm Elsa Yasmin and my partner is Malissa Shofiyah. I will be explaining project background, objectives, methodology and the results, while my partner will be demonstrating how the system works in syllabus. This system is developed using syllabus to assist students in selecting suitable computer science specializations pathways based on their interests and preferences. Computer science consists of various specializations, each requiring different skills and interests. However, many students are uncertain about which pathway best matches their abilities. Therefore, a knowledge-based system is developed to provide decision support and guide students towards suitable specializations. The knowledge base was developed using information gathered from computer science specializations descriptions and career pathways. User interests are collected and stored as facts, which are then used by the inference engine during the recommendation process. The system follows the knowledge-based system development process, beginning with knowledge acquisition, rule creation, and implementation in syllabus. The tree graph illustrates how user interests are linked to specific computer science specializations through expert rules. The system uses forward-chaining reasoning. User answers are converted into facts. These facts are matched against rules stored in the knowledge base. When a rule is satisfied, the corresponding recommendation is generated automatically. The system was tested using various combinations of user inputs. Based on the facts provided by the user, the system successfully generated up to 2 specialization recommendations. The results demonstrate that the system is capable of providing decision support and helping students identify suitable computer science pathways. Lastly, the system successfully generates recommendations based on user interest. Overall, the system achieves its objectives and demonstrates the application of rule-based reasoning for decision support. Next, my partner Malissa Shofiyah will be demonstrating the system using syllabus to continue our presentation.
My name is Malissa Shofiyah and I will now demonstrate the computer science path recommendation system developed using syllabus. After running the system, the user is required to answer a series of questions related to their interests and preferences in the field of computer science. These questions serve as the input for the system and are used to generate facts within the knowledge base. The first question asks whether the user enjoys programming. This information helps the system determine the user's interest in pathways that involve software development and technical problem solving. Next, the system asks about the user's interest in mathematics. This factor is important because fields such as artificial intelligence and data science require strong analytical and mathematical skills. The system then asks whether the user is interested in artificial intelligence. The response will be used to evaluate the suitability of AI-related specializations. This question identifies whether the user has an interest in cybersecurity and digital security concepts. The answer contributes to the cybersecurity recommendation rules. The system also collects information regarding networking and troubleshooting interests, which are important characteristics for networking and cloud computing pathways. This question evaluates the user's interest in designing and developing applications. Such interests are commonly associated with software engineering. Finally, the system asks about data analysis interests. This information is used to determine the suitability of data science as a specialization pathways. Once all responses have been entered, the system converts the user's inputs into facts and applies forward chaining to match them against the rules stored in the knowledge base. Based on the user's response, the system generates up to 2 recommended computer science specialization pathways. In this example, the system recommends networking and cloud computing as the first recommendation and cybersecurity as the second recommendation. Networking and cloud computing is recommended because the user expressed an interest in networking and troubleshooting activities, which are important characteristics for this specialization. Cybersecurity is also recommended because the user showed an interest in cybersecurity and has a programming background, which matches the rules defined in the knowledge base. The system also provides additional information about the recommended pathways. This also allows users to learn more about the focus areas, required skills, and potential career opportunities associated with each specialization before making a decision. This demonstration shows how the system collects user inputs, converts them into facts, applies rule-based reasoning through forward chaining, and generates recommendations based on the user's interest. The system successfully fulfills its objective of assisting students in identifying suitable computer science specialization pathways. That's all from us. Thank you.